parrot. Quack, quack. Hello. Who are you? Quack. I'm a parrot. Parrots are a type of bird. Where do you live? Parrots live all over the world. Most parrots like warm places like rainforest. But some live in snowy places. What do you eat? Parrots mostly eat nuts and seeds. Our beak are sharp. We use them to crack open nuts and seeds. Do all parrots look the same? No, there are many different kinds of parrots, but we all have curved beaks, and we all have 4 toes. Can parrots really learn words? Yes, parrots are very smart birds. Some parrots can learn words from people. We can imitate other sounds too. Do you live alone? Parrots live in groups called flocks. We like to talk to each other. We scream and squawk. Do you have any enemies? People are our main enemies. They often take us for pets. I see my flock. Goodbye. Goodbye, parrots.